Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Trello tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to enable dark mode in Trello. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Trello and here I am in my dashboard where I can see all my workspaces and boards. Now I have to click on my profile picture at the top right and go to Theme. Here I can now switch from light mode to dark mode. I also have the option of adapting this function to my browser. This way I don't have to do this for each program individually, but can control it centrally with my browser. And that's all you have to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.